Congratulations on graduating HTML. I'm so proud of all of us for making it, and you should be proud of yourself. We're about to enter a whole new world, the world of CSS. It's a world that might seem scary, it might be exciting, it might be both, but it's certainly full of possibilities. This is the start of an amazing CSS journey, not just the end of an HTML journey. Today is the first day of the rest of our... Okay, all right. I guess that's about as much as I can do. This is our first CSS section. It is a big landmark in the course. We are not done with HTML. It's going to play a role from pretty much here on out in most sections. In fact, we'll be using a lot of HTML in this section because CSS is used to style existing HTML elements. So we have a couple of sections on CSS. It's a relatively huge topic, but it's also pretty simple. So this is an introductory section, and like most of the intro sections, pretty much everything here is crucial. Understanding CSS conceptually, what it is, what it does, understanding the basic CSS syntax, the recipe, if you will, for using CSS, crucial. Including styles correctly. We need to be able to include CSS files in an HTML document. How do we link to them? So it's just a single new HTML element. It's pretty straightforward. We'll talk about color systems, crucial. We use color a lot in CSS. We need to be able to specify text color, right? Here's black text, here's white text. Background color, here's green, yellow, purple. Things like the color of a border. So there are different color systems, and we'll spend a little bit of time talking about them. Now, I have this one yellow card for common text properties. There's one video in this section. I think I cover like 6 or 7 different properties that have to do with styling text. Some of them are quite important, but then some of them are just much less commonly used, like changing the spacing between the individual letters in a word. Good to know, but you definitely don't need to stay up at night making flashcards and quizzing yourself on those properties. Then we do talk about one called font family, which is how you change the font of some HTML elements, rather. It's pretty important too. I'm going to call it crucial. This is an intro section. All of this stuff should go by pretty quickly. I hope you enjoy it. I found a lot of students do enjoy Intro to CSS and CSS in general. It's pretty easy. It's just big. So I think there's actually a video in this section called CSS is Huge, Don't Panic. And that's coming up pretty soon. So without further ado, good luck. And it's been an honor teaching and learning alongside all of you, each and every one of you. Onwards we go.